Solving a linear equation by graphing. This is from the Graphs and Functions pie slice of Alex. Here is an equation. Negative 2x is equal to negative 4. Draw a graph to help solve the equation, then find the solution to the equation. This is a little bit tricky because we can probably fairly easily figure out what the solution to this equation is, maybe even our head. But what it wants to do is start introducing this method of solving equations using graphing. So if we have negative 2x is equal to negative 4, and we wanted to convert that into a linear equation in slope-intercept form, we first want to set the entire equation equal to 0. So instead of writing negative 2x equals negative 4, we want to get 0 on one side of the equation. Because we are going to eventually replace 0 with y, let's go ahead and get the left side set equal to 0. So we add 2x to both sides. This sets the left side equal to 0, and the right side is now 2x plus 4. Or excuse me, 2x minus 4. We have a negative 4 there, so it's going to be 2x minus 4. Now this is already written sort of how we want it. We just need to replace this 0 with y. So y equals 2x minus 4. And then notice that it's already written in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, remember, is our slope-intercept form of an equation, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So 2 is our slope, and negative 4 is our y-intercept. In other words, where it crosses the y-axis. So that would look something like this. It crosses at negative 4 and then has a slope of 2, positive 2. So that would be up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And so our graph is going to look something like that. Now to find out exactly what our graph looks like, we can use our Desmos graphing calculator and write in y equals 2x minus 4. And notice that we do get a point at 0, negative 4, where the y-intercept is, a slope of positive 2 over 1, which then gets us to 2, 0. And remember, we replaced our 0 with y earlier. So y is equal to 0. Well, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, which is the solution to our equation. So when y equals 0, x equals 2. Again, we could have figured that out by dividing both sides by negative 2. We can confirm it now by dividing both sides by negative 2 as well. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 gives us x equals 2. Again, this is to show that we can solve linear equations by graphing.